What's something people don't know about picking their first smartphone? It's easier than you think. Hey there, future smartphone owner. Picking your first smartphone can feel like finding a needle in a tech-filled haystack. But relax, we're here to help you make a smart choice. First up, let's talk about understanding your needs. Think about your budget, what you prioritize, like a great camera, long battery life, or top-notch performance, and how you'll use your phone. For social media scrolling, gaming, or work? Next, let's break down the key features to consider. The operating system is a biggie. Android offers customization and variety, while iOS is known for its smooth, secure ecosystem. Want a big, vibrant display? Look for high resolution. Love snapping pics? Check for camera quality, night mode, and zoom capabilities. Now let's talk brands. Apple is all about premium design and security. Samsung offers a wide range of innovative options, and Google Pixel? It's the king of pure Android experience and camera prowess. When choosing the right phone, research is key. Check out reviews, use online comparison tools, and don't forget to visit stores to get a hands-on feel. Alright, let's recap. Know your budget and priorities. Consider key features like OS and camera quality, know the strengths of top brands, and always do your research. Got it? Great. If this guide helped you, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below with your first smartphone pick. Thanks for watching, and happy phone hunting.